Welcome kids! Today we are going to learn about sea animals. Seahorse, octopus and squid. So let's get started. First we will learn about seahorse. Seahorses are fish. They live in water and breathe through their gills. There are about 40 known species of seahorse. Seahorses prefer to swim in pairs with their tails linked together. Seahorses have no teeth and no stomach. Seahorses are monogamous and mate for life. Monogamous means having one partner at a time. When mating, the female seahorse releases up to 50 eggs into a pouch on the male's abdomen. The male seahorse carries the eggs in his pouch until they hatch, then releases fully formed miniature seahorses into the water. As little as 5 or as many as 1,500 young can be born. Their tails are a valuable tool. Their eyes work independently of one another. They have unique identifying markings. Now let's learn about octopus. They are tiny and they are huge. But all octopuses are highly intelligent. They can match the colors and even textures of their surroundings. Octopuses are ocean creatures that are most famous for having 8 arms and bulbous heads. That is fat, round heads. They have 3 hearts and blue blood. There are over 250 species of octopus. An octopus has 8 limbs. Female octopuses die after their eggs have hatched. Octopus has decentralized brains. Octopus can regrow their arm if they lose one. They change their color through their muscles. Octopus are smart creatures. They have better vision than humans. Now let's learn about squid. Squids are different from cuttlefish. Squid tentacles are very versatile. It means they are having many uses. Squids have beaks. Squids come in many shapes and sizes. Deep water squid have glow-in-the-dark organs. Squids have 3 hearts. Squid eyes have inbuilt contact lenses. Squids have a tube-shaped body and a small rod-like internal shell called a pen. So kids, this was all about seahorse, octopus and squid. Thank you.